How to look more muscular in 30 days. Don't opt for extreme diets or regimens that can make you feel depleted, or even backfire, leaving you in worse shape. Follow these tips and you'll feel stronger and more confident, plus you'll look great in all those group selfies and have people saying, "What have you done?" 1. Add extra cardio. Working out for 30 minutes on the treadmill or elliptical 5 days a week will shave off that extra jiggle. Maintain your muscles with your regular strength training regimen, but add moderate intensity cardio to burn fat and stimulate your metabolism. Add your 30-minute cardio workout to your schedule wherever it fits most conveniently, whether that's first thing in the morning, during your lunch break, or in the evening, so your new routine will be easier to maintain. 2. Do stomach vacuums every day. Stomach vacuums work the inner abdominals, the transverse abdominus and lumbar multifidus that function as a natural girdle to support posture and breathing. These amazing exercises can be done anywhere, anytime, and after just a few weeks of diligent practice, will lead to better posture and a tighter-looking middle section. If you've already developed the overlying muscle core, you'll also see greater definition. Inhale and exhale. Then suck in your stomach, drawing your navel toward your spine. Hold for 20 seconds and release. Repeat. 3. Ditch the empty carbohydrates. Say goodbye to white bread, potatoes, rice and pasta, substituting whole grains like quinoa and more nutrient-rich carbohydrates like sweet potatoes. Even the healthiest grains can cause bloating. Decrease the amount of carbs in your meals in favor of more veggies, protein, and healthy fats. A few days before your special event, reduce the amount of carbs and sodium in your diet to cut down on bloating and puffiness.
If you're enjoying, like the video and subscribe to the channel. IT helps my work a lot. And don't forget to activate the bell to receive all notifications. Thanks.
4. Hydrate like crazy. Say no to sugary drinks and alcoholic beverages and instead reach for water. It will reduce puffiness, make it easier to control your calorie intake, and help you feel energized. Add sliced cucumbers, limes, oranges, and mint or cilantro to your water pitcher to add a refreshing zing. The produce will also inject an extra dose of minerals and vitamins that your skin, muscle, and tissues will love. 5. Cut back on refined sugar. Sugar is aggressively unbalancing, disrupting the body's ability to process fuel and placing extra strain on the pancreas. It can contribute to skin problems, puffiness and cellulite, as well as low energy and mood swings. Keep berries and whole milk yogurt on hand to address cravings, or allow yourself a small antioxidant-rich square of dark chocolate. 6. Eat healthy fats. A spoonful of nut butter, an avocado, or coconut oil are all great ways to add the healthy fats essential for building lean muscle. They are also wonderful go-to snacks you can grab to address cravings. Eat plenty of fatty fish or take a supplement to support your body as it builds and maintains muscle.
If you liked the video, save it to your phone and share it with your friends. And for more curiosity about the human body, subscribe to the channel and see